Hi, and welcome to another episode of Kiki's Kitchen by Keisha Dreams. And today I'm going to be showing you how I make my pineapple honey hot wings. So this is everything you should need, and let's get started. First, you're going to preheat your skillet on medium-high. Then you're going to add about a half to 3/4 cup of oil. I use veggie oil, and this recipe counts for about 10 wings. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of honey. This is going to have the actual meat sort of having a sweet taste to it when you bite into it. Now at this stage you can add whatever seasoning you'd like, but I'm just going to keep it simple with salt and pepper. Now once your wings are all seasoned up, you're just going to flour it, nothing different here. I always try to tuck the wing behind the knuckle when frying chicken. While your wings are frying, preheat your saucepan to about medium-low. Add half a can of pineapples, then add 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Don't forget to check the wings, guys. It should be a pretty brown coating, sort of like this. I wouldn't recommend any darker. Now you're going to add about a half a bottle of your hot sauce. Now this is optional, but I always add a cup of brown sugar. Cook your sauce for about 5 to 10 minutes or until all of the ingredients are evenly distributed and you get this pretty blood red color. Now you're going to preheat your oven to about 350 and get ready to bake the wings. When your wings are done, they should be about this brown color. Don't worry if some are a little bit darker. The sauce is going to make up for that. Now you're going to put your sauce on and then put the wings in the oven for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes, take the foil off, flip them over, and put them back in the oven for 5 minutes. This is going to get them sticky. And there you have it, the finished product. I promise it's going to taste so delicious, man. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching Kiki's Kitchen. And I hope you guys really enjoy these wings. I just came up with them one day, just out of the blue. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Enjoy your dinner. Bye. Oh, it's hot.